Welcome to HVAC Startup Technician, and today we're going to talk about air condition efficiency and how to make sure that your air condition unit on the outside of your house is working correctly. Today you see out here we have a brand air condition unit, and I had this air condition unit for a while, maybe about 20 years, and I have never had any problem with it. So let me show you the unit. One of the most important thing every technician should look at is that plate here. That will give you all the necessary information, serial number, model number, and we could tell right there is a piston, ID size 67, and it's that look as a 2.5 ton unit. So always as a technician you want to actually look at this, because it also tell you it's a TXV. That's also important, because the way you charge a TXV is not the same way you charge a piston. With a TXV you're more looking at the subcooling, and in the piston you're more looking at for your superheat. It also tell you right there, as you see, that we use R22. Very important again, the refrigerant you use is very important, so you want to make sure that you use the correct refrigerant. So it tells you a lot about the unit. If you look up here, so this is your liquid line here, this is your suction line here. So if you have to charge this unit, you will be opening up these valves here, and this is your high side here, this is your low side. Remember, the high side is always the smaller unit, low side is always the bigger line. And this here we have, I wouldn't open it, but this is our disconnect. This is where our high voltage come in to give power to the unit. So this is really important. But what I want to talk about is also always making sure that around your unit is clear. See, we have it in a panel, which is really important, but there is no grass all around here. And you see, this is the coil. So make sure it's clean all around. All right, all around we make sure that this coil is clean. This is our fan up here also. So what we do at least once a year, it is really important that you just get you don't have to get any harsh cleaner to make sure that your unit is working very well, to make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Every year I come out here and I just get one of those hose, and I will just start cleaning that coil. You know, you could just go ahead and you could just get your hose out and make sure that your coil is clean. So we could come back here and then we would start cleaning the coil. So I'll just go where I'm going with you step by step and how to make sure the unit working properly and how to clean the coil. So we'll be back and we'll show you exactly how we do that and how we clean that coil with nothing but pure water. So guys, we're back, and let's see, I have my water running here and I'm gonna start cleaning this unit. So I want to show you. So it's simple. All you do is take your hose, and anybody could do this, and you just start cleaning those coils. Just rub your hose up and down and make sure you get the coil clean. Like if you might be cutting the grass, and grass, you see this, could get into the coil. And by just doing this, you will increase the efficiency of your unit. You see, so I've got go ahead and done this already. I does it every year. So that's the way you could increase the efficiency by simple cleaning these coils with just water. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something from it. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. We appreciate all the love. And we'll see you again on our next video. Thank you guys and have a great day. Till next time.